Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to mount the new rubber mold of the E90 BMW 3 Series in a very easy way. So, as you know, we have to first remove the old rubber mold and then put in the new one. But there's like a slot that actually needs to catch the windshield, and it's not really easy to be flattened in. So instead, you can use like a wine bottle to first have this rubber mold to be set in on one end, and you can just roll it over to have the rubber mold nicely sit into the slot. So there you go. This is a very easy way to make this work pretty quickly, pretty nicely, and without much effort. Yep, that's what I want to share. Thank you.